Boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D. This is the home of the baby knockout, ladies and gentlemen, where our baby knockouts knock out the stock market competition. You're talking to the baby knockout goat, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to lay it down to you. We're going to talk today about gold and its triple top. What are you talking about, Mickey D? We know the double tops. We know about the double bottoms and stuff because we've seen some of your work before. But not so much the triple top. We'll talk about it here in a second. If you don't have a copy of the book, the famous book, the popular candlesticks used by the millionaires, I'm going to leave a link for you so you can get it. This book right here is the one about, and it's free. So make sure you grab yourself a copy right now. Go on over. I'm going to leave the link here. Go on over and get your copy right now. We're going to talk about it here. Yeah, why not? We'll use the same patterns those rich boys on Wall Street use. We'll use the same patterns. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this triple top pattern that I'm talking about with gold, in 2018, we had the same pattern. And it looks like we're going in the same direction here. So maybe you hate to put numbers out there, but it looks like once we get over 5,000, then we got to kind of be cautious because we're headed back up, guys. We're going to be probably 55, 5,600 or so gold. We got to kind of be cautious there because we may have a little topping pattern and we may come back down. But there's going to be an opportunity there to take profits, of course, and you will make plenty dinero. Plenty dinero. Let's take a look at it real quick. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. You're looking right now. Make sure you hit that like button, like button, like button. We're looking at 2018. We're looking at the spot price of gold and silver. As you can see, as we went up and retrace, come back down, go back up, two, go back up, two. We have that triple top effect there. And when you look at any of the charts right now, you're looking at the you look at the GDX, you look at the GDXJ. Short term, we're showing a possibility of a triple top. Now I know there's a lot of people that they don't believe in the triple top thing, and but a lot of people don't believe in technical analysis. It's just the fundamentals with a lot of these companies. But we do the technicals, we do the fundamentals, and we knock on the doors and go to the conferences and talk to the people and make the phone calls. We do the dirty work, guys. That's what makes you uh, independently wealthy in on Wall Street. I'm not there. I'm not there. I'm not an inside trader. I'm not there. But you guys are there. And I have Hall of Fame members that I heard from this week. Hey, Mark, great hearing from you, man. You got that. You got it going on, man. A lot of the Hall of Fame, baby knockout Hall of Fame members have it going on. But when you look at GDXJ, still a little topping pattern, just little hints. We're going down. We're coming back up. We'll come back up there. After we go over 150 there. So just this is long term now. Just think, guys. This is long term. You still have money to make. Just think there just may be a little uh, opportunity there. To have a triple top and come down. No, you guys like to play stock short sometimes. You can get some puts or do whatever you want to do. Go short on some of these and sell some calls or something. Whatever your choice is, ladies and gentlemen. I think you'll have the opportunity, but it's not going to be overnight. It's not going to happen tomorrow. We look long term here, pennies and patience, ladies and gentlemen, with a lot of these stocks. You guys know. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Some people, the triple top is something that they think gold is going to go up forever, silver is going to go up forever. And with the debt in this country and inflation hitting already all over the world, ladies and gentlemen, because of the Strait of Hormuz closure, but we can open it up anytime, right? Or we can stop the gold rally anytime, right? I don't think so. This currency debasement that's going on, it's wild, ladies and gentlemen. And you don't, for our companies to work, we don't need 5,000, 6,000, 8,000 gold price. As long as the 4,000, 4,500, 5,000 is plenty of room for my companies, and your company, our baby knockouts, yeah, ladies and gentlemen. But anyway, nothing seems to be, the chaos of the world. What's going on right now? Uh, there's no way out. The next day after the election, remember, after the election, we said that we hoped that this president would not get us into something that we couldn't get out. That was a prayer of ours that we need to pray, all of us, a little bit harder, because he getting us into some stuff, and then a lot of stuff you just can't get out of overnight, or we'll stop it when we want to stop it, or 2 weeks or a week we'll stop. Well, but it's not up to you anymore. Uh, you know, two people have to stop fighting. Two people. There has to be an agreement. Not well. That's a story for another day, ladies and gentlemen. But a lot of a lot of those people are getting very, very upset right now. I can tell you. Recently, I attended a the heart. It's a NASCAR event. It was the heart of the country, of the young man, well, older gentleman, that's in office right now, the president, and his people. I call them his people. NASCAR crowd, not very happy, not happy at all. So that's story for another day. Story for another day. We're gonna keep focused. The triple top, whether you believe it or not, we may be staring in the eyes of a triple top here in the not too distant future, ladies and gentlemen. We just might. And if we do, what are we going to do when it comes down? When it rolls down, we're going to accumulate and reevaluate, right? Reevaluate and accumulate. That's the way we're going to do it. But that is a strong, strong reversal pattern, ladies and gentlemen, with gold. And we may see it in the not too distant future. But until then, up, up, and away. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful uh, Easter Sunday, Resurrection Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, all of you, your family, friends, get together. You guys break bread. Maybe your favorite basketball teams will win, favorite baseball teams will win, favorite soccer, whatever sport you like, they'll win. Look for the Baby Knockout newsletter. And you that don't have the Baby Knockout newsletter, you're at a disadvantage right now. I can tell you that right now, especially in a bull market right now. I have several new companies in the Baby Knockout newsletter, which you guys will be getting here in a couple days. So if you want to receive all those stock leads, which are going to be primo, those stock leads, make sure you sign up for the Baby Knockout News. I'll leave the information in the description area, and it's only $99 a year, and you guys will be right on board. You guys take care. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, ladies and gentlemen. If you're looking for strength, you're looking for energy, you're looking for guidance, ladies and gentlemen, look up on this holy week, ladies and gentlemen. Look up. To the men and women in uniform, hang in there. Hang in there. I know it's tough. I've been out there. I'm speaking from experience. On one of those ships out there. It's not fun being away from family, being threatened every day, bells going off, general quarters every day. Before you go out, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you go over and get your Amazon.com, get your free copy of Popular Candlestick Patterns Used by Millionaires, Chart Patterns Revealed, ladies and gentlemen. That's a great book. It's got chart patterns in there that we said we were going to be going over this whole year, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to freshen up on our chart patterns. What happened? I don't know what happened. But you can get it in Kindle. You can get it in. You can also get the paperback, which is good to have. Get the paperback, ladies and gentlemen. But make sure you get a copy of Popular Candlestick Patterns Used by Millionaires, Chart Patterns Revealed. I'll have the link for you down below. Just go over and get you a free copy on this good